Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to export from video editor. So when you click on export nothing happens, or if the export is not working at all, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to restart your computer. Simply restart your computer once, and after the system restart open video editor and then try to export. Still you are unable to export, in that case unselect use hardware accelerated encoding. Now for this, on your video editor, when you click on finish, when you click on export, before you click on export, click on this more options and uncheck the box which says use hardware accelerated encoding. Uncheck this and then click on export, and you should not face any problem. But still you are unable to export, then close Google Drive or OneDrive while exporting. Now this has worked for many players, so it might work for you. So if Google Drive is running, click on it, make a right click on Google Drive and then quit Google Drive. Also close OneDrive. If OneDrive is open, make a right click over here and then click on quit OneDrive. Now try to export. Still you are unable to export, then convert video files to MP4 files. Now if your video file has some other format there, then there might be a problem in exporting. So you can convert your video file to MP4 format. You can Google it and you can convert your files to MP4, and after that you can try to export, and that should fix the problem. Next step is to repair or reset Photos app. For this, type in Photos in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows Photos app and then click on app settings. Now this will open Windows settings, and scroll down and then click on repair. So over here you will see the repair option. Click on repair. Now once the repair is done, you can open video editor and then try to export. Still you are facing the problem, then you can perform reset. Click on reset. Now after the reset, open video editor and then try to export. Now still you are unable to update, then update your Windows. So to update Windows, open Windows settings, then go to Windows Update or Update and Security and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then try to export. Still you are unable to export, then uninstall and reinstall Photos app. To uninstall, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. Now once done, restart your computer. After the system restart, again open PowerShell and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you always open PowerShell as an administrator. Now copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once done, now open video editor and then try to export the file. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version using media creation tool. So if nothing is working, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 10 or 11.
If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to export the file successfully from video editor. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.